It's all dependent on the client's needs. We offer daily cleaning or one time a week, one time a month cleaning. So it's all dependent on what the client wants. And we'll give them the same quality of service, either one time a week, weekly, or monthly. Usually larger office buildings, medical buildings, they do business Monday through Friday or even 7 days a week. So those are the kind of types of buildings that will require, you know, uh, everyday cleaning. When we do the nightly cleaning or daily cleaning, we're able to maintain it versus one time a week or one time a month. That's when you would come in and you basically have to do a full deep cleaning, either if it's once a week or once a month. So it's easier when we are doing nightly cleaning because we can maintain it. If they made a mess one day, we know we're gonna take care of it that night or the following day, rather than waiting a whole week or a whole month to take care of their place. So yeah, it's easier.